think we should change this.
Sallie Krawcheck is a Wall Street pioneer whose new goal is to help make women smarter investors. Krawcheck spent years in senior roles at banking firms like Citigroup and Bank of America. She's now CEO of Ellevest, a startup financial firm aimed squarely at women and their unique financial needs.
We talk a lot in the United States and around the world about the gender pay gap. What we're not talking about at all is the gender investing gap. Women's salaries, sadly, are lower than men's, sadly peak sooner than men's, and women live longer than men. If you're not taking that into account in their investing program and their planning program, you're really doing women a disservice.
Launched earlier this year, Ellavest has already signed up thousands of clients who are paying for personalized financial services. Krawcheck says women are an untapped market that have been overlooked by the banks for far too long.
The market in the United States of investable assets for women is $5 trillion. Women jointly control with their spouses another $6 trillion. And women, because we live longer than men, are estimated to inherit 70% of the $40 trillion of wealth transfer that's going to occur over the next few decades. This idea that women don't really have that much money is nuts. It's absolutely nuts. We have the money, but we are leaving 70% of it in the bank, and that's hurting us.
Financial products that cater to women are nothing new. Other online sites like She Capital and Daily Worth have also entered the space.
So how do you plan to do things differently?
It's much more personalized, and so in fact what we found women wanted was not, here's our platform, pick one of 5 products, but no, here's what you want to achieve, and here's the bespoke investment option, the investment plan to get you there, bespoke to you. We women love, one thing we love, bespoke.
Because it makes sense to us.
Right. It's that I want something that takes into account my unique circumstances and that takes into account this stuff about outperforming the market. I don't have time for it. What I really want is how much money do I need to retire, or how much money do I need to start my business? Tell me that, and then invest for me to get there.
What's the benchmark for you for this company now?
So if all I can do is bring attention to the concept of the gender investing gap and begin a conversation about how women approach it differently and get rid of the myths, then I can die a happy woman. Until we women are financially equal with men, we have not achieved true gender equality. That we cannot leave the bad relationships we're in. We cannot say take this job and shove it to the bad job. We can't live our full lives until the point that we're financially equal. And in many countries in the world, we're almost there. In other countries in the world, we have more to go. But that last step of equality is financial equality.